Greetings to you all. Yeah, I remember last time we stopped at looking at tools we need as new traders to engage with financial market, and today we are going to be looking at our very most important tool, which is going to be MetaTrader 5. So if you don't have MetaTrader 5 probably, which is the case, or if you already downloaded it, so today we are going to be covering basics of MetaTrader 5. So if you haven't downloaded it, I'm going to take you the short process of downloading it and installing it on your computer. If you have it on your mobile phone, you will follow along, but I recommend you using a computer. If you don't have a computer, it could be quite challenging because the setup on computer is different from the one on the phone, but probably in the future I'll try to make a video for the MetaTrader 5 on the phone. So now we are going to start by downloading the MetaTrader 5 for the computer. So I need to put in MetaTrader 5. So this is the MetaTrader site. Click on it. As you can see, there are different platforms. There is MetaTrader 5 for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I'm using Windows, so I'll download for Windows. So I've already downloaded MetaTrader 5, but if you have not downloaded it, it will download. So this one is a downloader, but if you don't have this download in your laptop, it will probably download and come here. But if it comes here, then you'll have to come and go to your download list, open this PC, and then come to downloads, then you'll get your MetaTrader 5. I downloaded it last month, so I'm going to use this setup I downloaded last month. So as I can install MetaTrader 5, I have it already installed and it's running some of my setups, so hope it won't mess them up. So I'll just trying to take you through the process of downloading MetaTrader 5. Probably soon it will finish installing. Yes, it has finished installing. So let's go ahead and open our MetaTrader 5. First time you open MetaTrader 5, it will create for you automatically a demo account. Open for you a demo account. So I have already one setup running MetaTrader 5, so you'll see some MetaTrader 5. So this is MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, I have some things running as I told you earlier. So this is MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, we have different toolbars. This one is called the Market Watch. This is where you get all your symbols. If you don't, if the symbol you need is not here, for example, like sorry, forex pair you need is not here, just come here on this add and type the first letter. Let me see, for example, let me try and put one new. Just click maybe USD something, which is not listed here. As you can see, as you press in the pair, it gets listed. For example, let me add in this one, which is not there. When I click here, it is automatically added there. So that's how you add in forex pairs that are not on your watch list. Then looking at the watch list, we have this one down where you see these trades running. Okay, so this one is called a toolbox. So sometimes when you're doing analysis, you may not need these ones to be available in your chart so that you get enough space to do your analysis. So yeah, they are always under the view. So market watch is this, see it goes away, and toolbox, as you can see, when you click them, you get more space for analysis. As you can see, space has increased. So if you need them back, you still come to view, market watch, it still appear. If you need to view open positions, come back and put back the toolbox, and the toolbox will come back and you'll see open positions. So then the next toolbar you need to look at is the time. So here, as you can see, we start from 1 minute, 1, 5, 15, 30 until 1 month. So when you select 1 minute, each candlestick you see here is representing 1 minute. If you click 5 minutes, for this candle to complete, it has to be 5 minutes. So one complete candle is 5 minutes. 15 minutes, same through. So when you start from 1 minute, when you're trading a candlestick for 1 minute, risk is higher. The more you go up, the more risk gets lower. So the person trading 1 minute is at higher risk than the person trading any of this. The person trading 15 minutes is at a higher risk of the one trading 4 hours, because there's more data in 4 hours that somebody is analyzing than you who is trading short time data. So you are at a higher risk. So you should consider trading higher time frames. And when you trade higher time frames, the risk may be low, but you have to wait for so long. So if, for example, the person of 15 minutes is waiting for 1 hour to make some good profit and he can contain the risk, he makes money very well, very quick, but he has to do good analysis and make sure that and test everything before opening the trade and predicts very well and checks all his indicators he's using to see that, yeah, everything is moving on well before he places a trade. Because if he does, he's at higher risk than the person who is trading 4 hours or 1 hour. So you'll do your analysis, you'll check the time frame which will be good for you. So that's all about this toolbar for time. So the rest of here, you see these are indicators. This one is for a line, also this one vertical line, this one is for drawing a trend line. We shall use all of them in a long run. So now we are going to look at this chart. This is our chart. So if you have these items here, these are forex pairs on this chart. In order to open a chart for them here in this chart window, just right click. For example, let me say I need for Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I click chart. It automatically come here. That's how we open charts for these particular forex pairs. Then, as you can see, this chart has a background color and it's really looking funny for me. And I normally love trading when I have color on this. I love green and red. They do work very well for me. So to change that, you come to properties, right click in the middle of the chart, come to properties, come here, go to color on white, boom, and it changes. This is my preferred choice. So I set this one once and do it for all the charts. So after having set, maybe as you continue, you'll add on more things, more indicators, more what. So after you have set up your master, I can see master template. So this one is called a template. You can save it. For example, we have changed this color. So I'm going to save this as my template. I'm going to right click, come here to templates. I say save template. I save it, for example, on my desktop. I create a folder called market analysis, markets, and open here and save this one as my master template, master, save. So if I open here another, let me see for Japanese yen, open here another candle chart. So I don't need to again go back to the templates. Remember, there'll be a time when you'll add a lot of indicators to your template. So you just come here, right click, templates, load template. Then you look for your master template in the desktop. Remember, we saved it in markets, then master template, and boom, it will be loaded for you. So you can remove all this and still put them back if you need more space for analysis. For example, this, just remove it and you remain with your space for market analysis. So if you need it back, as I showed you before, just come here. The bottom one is called a toolbox. Then this one is called a market watch. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.